Just like your daddy. Huh, playing with snakes.
Yeah. Get back, snake. Catch it. Got you. Got ya. Got you.
You see that snake? That's a nice snakey, huh? Him no bite.
Nope.
Yeah, it's because he's an English racer. They're docile. They're garden snakes.
Yeah.
They keep mice out of the gardens and ants and stuff. Yeah. That's cool. Alright, don't put them too close to your face. They're not poisonous, but they still bite when they're scared. Alright, put down.
Ooh, don't let them move.
No, get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Don't let them move away.
There you go. Bloop. There you go. Leave him, Alex. Alex, leave him. Let him go.
Got on my feet.
Alex, your shadow's in the way, buddy.
Hey, why are you looking at the shadow?
Alex,
It's
move.
crawling away, Daddy. It's crawling away.
It's alright. I see him.
Let him crawl away. Don't 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 let him crawl away. Wanna hold him, Daddy? Can I hold him? Can I hold him,
It's
Daddy?
cool.
Can I still hold him? Can I still hold him, Daddy?
It's pretty cool, huh?